Hi guys, this video is going to help you out with one of the homework problems. This is the problem involving a semi-structured data set. This is the stocks data, and as you can see, it is a list. We can see from the square brackets opening and closing this data object. Within that list, we have 3 dictionaries, and the desired output includes the values associated with the key of last sale price. So what I'd like to do in this video is another example that will help you with the organization of the code necessary to solve this problem. As always, we tend to start with a for loop when we need to extract an item from every element within a data collection. So in this case, I want to think about what I want to do. I want to extract the value associated with all of the keys of 2. So I'm going to ignore the 1. I'm just going to extract the values associated with a key of 2. So I know I'm going to need a for loop, so I'll just do for I. It's always I. For I in example, print I. So I'm just proving to myself that the fundamental elements of this data object are the dictionaries. Okay, so what we need to figure out now is how to access just the values associated with the keys of 2. And the way to do that in a dictionary is to specify the name of the key. So if I print the value associated with key for each dictionary, I should be able to print those 3 values that I'm interested in extracting. And when I say extract, I know I use that word a lot. I don't mean remove entirely from this dictionary. I mean take them and put them somewhere. So when I do that, I'm not actually changing the original dictionary. I want to effectively copy these values into another data object. And we want to produce a list here, so I'll just create an empty list with LST, and instead of printing the values, I'm going to use append. So you probably thought to do that since we've been using append a lot. We use append when we want to add an individual value, and we use extend when we want to add a collection of values, usually a list of values, and then we can break down the structure of that list when we use extend, like we've seen in some other examples. But for this example, the append method is appropriate. So there we go. So I hope that that example will help you. You can extrapolate from here and apply this approach to the example involving stocks. And just note that in our example, the word 2 was the key of interest. In this problem, the keyword last sales price is the key of interest with the associated values that we would like to extract and put into a list. Thank you.